Hey there! Is AirDrop giving you a hard time on your iPhone? We totally get how frustrating that can be, especially when you are in a hurry to share files with other Apple devices. But don't sweat it. In this guide, we're going to walk you through some straightforward solutions to get AirDrop up and running again. So, let's jump right in. Solution 1. Enable and configure AirDrop. First, open the Control Center by swiping down from the upper right corner of your iPhone, or swipe up from the bottom if you're using an older model. Next, press and hold the Network Settings box, which is the section that includes Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and more. Then, tap on AirDrop. After that, select Everyone to make your device visible to all nearby Apple devices. Now, try sharing a file again to see if AirDrop is working. Solution 2. Check Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections. Make sure both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are turned on for your iPhone. Open Settings. Then, confirm that the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth switches are activated. Next, restart both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth by turning them off, waiting a few seconds, and then turning them back on. After that, retry using AirDrop to check if the connection has improved. Solution 3. Use cellular data for AirDrop. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap on General. Then, tap on AirDrop. Make sure cellular data is enabled. Solution 4. Update iOS. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap on General. Then, select Software Update. If there is an update available, tap Download and Install. Once the update is finished, restart your iPhone. Now, try using AirDrop to see if the issue is fixed. Solution 5. Reset Network Settings. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, select Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. If prompted, enter your passcode, then confirm the reset. Just a heads up, this will reset your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, so you might need to reconnect to Wi-Fi later. Now, once your network settings are reset, try using AirDrop again. By following these steps, you should be all set to fix any AirDrop issues on your iPhone. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more handy troubleshooting tips. Stay tuned for our next video, and happy sharing!